it's Friday. The weather's kind of good outside, and I'm here to pick up my buddy. We're going to Cedar Creek. Get some steelheads. Yeah. Look at this spinner. Green coon shrimp. Look at that, red veins. And then some split shot. We'll be out there. We're out here. Oh, I just seen a 6, Last time we were there fishing on that side. What up, y'all? You ready for this? You gonna catch something?
We'll see.